This afternoon in Klein's Garage, we're doing a flapper mod on a 2005 Mercedes-Benz E320 CDI. This is the OM648 motor. These motors, once they get higher mileage on them, you get carbon buildup on the flappers. You can see down here next to that manifold bolt, there's a piece of flat, very thin flat stock metal that attaches to a piece of plastic shaft that runs up inside the intake runner here. Sorry about the focusing. And that'll open or close a flapper valve inside to change the air velocity going into the engine. It's mainly for emissions. It can also give you a little additional torque at lower end. But it's very common to get a ton of carbon buildup inside of there, and they'll stick, and then it burns out the servo motor, which is located underneath the manifold. It's kind of hard to see here. So this is a connector for the servo motor. If you remove the connector from the servo motor and insert a 7.5 kilo ohm resistor and pins, I believe it's 1 and 2, and hard to see, and I don't want to drop the connector. That will trick the computer into thinking the servo motor's in the correct position and will correct the check engine light. This is a nightmare job to replace, pulling the manifold, clean the manifold out. As long as the valves are in the open position, the engine will run fine. I've driven my other CDI for many of tens of thousands of miles with this mod, no issues at all. So simple, quick, easy solution to a flapper valve servo motor issue on a 2005 CDI OM648 motor. As always, have fun, stay safe.